All right, guys, 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. Really clean, mint. Look at this thing. Freshly painted, freshly motors done on it, but it is clean even on the inside. So it's got a mild cam in it, and the exhaust system was done on it already, but I had a few leaks, so we went ahead and just fixed the leak up there on the header, right there. You can see everything's brazed on. Look at the welding, the brazing. It's pretty cool. Anyway, it's got a full 2.5-inch system on a mid-length headers, right there, and then it's got 2.5-inch pipe, and then they put an H pipe in the center of it right there. Then 2.5-inch continues. And then they had two Flowmaster knockoffs. The accelerators, I'll get you guys part numbers in the description. Right there. And then 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side. And check out the brazing. You can see the MIG compared to the brazing. It's completely different. It's pretty cool. It's old school welding back in the day. There it is out the back on each side. 2.5-inch tailpipes. Whoever did it did a really nice job on it. It was cleanly done. Check it out. Chevy Monte Carlo SS. There you go. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And you can see from the drive-out tag, you just bought it. Got a classic muscle sound. I told him it needs super tense. Go ahead. Right at 104. Nice clean sound. It's a really nice clean car. Check out the inside, guys. It's really clean, like I was telling you guys. Really nice. How many miles are on it? So 116. Rev it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Under the hood, you guys wonder what it looked like under there? Well, I just checked, make sure there's no leaks up here for him. What you do is you get a stethoscope and you just go around all the joints of the exhaust. That's the best way to check it for leaks with a stethoscope. There it is. Yeah, she's mint clean. Monte Carlo SS by good old Chevrolet. It definitely needs the Super 10s in my opinion. It's hiding the cam a lot, these mufflers are. Sounds good though, still. Needs a little bit more. Don't you guys agree? Let me know.